Today we talk about how can you choose notification ringtone on your to-do list app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, you just go down, click on this sign down here. So when you click on it, it's going to show for you a list like this. Then all you have to do now, you just click here on settings. So when you click here on settings here, it's going to take you to this list. And all you have to do now, you just click here on notification and reminder here. So then it's going to take you to this list, and you click here on default notification ringtone here, and here can you choose. So here can you get premium. If you get premium, here you get record ringtone music on device, and here can you just choose here here in ringtone here. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.